Hi friends, after installing the Jenkins, the service is running, but you are not able to see the Jenkins homepage. Okay, you are getting the error like the connection has timed out. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to AWS console and click on security groups. Click on edit inbound rules, add rule, open the port number 8080, access from anywhere, save rules. So I open the port number 8080. Now you give one. Now you click here. Your issue is resolved. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.